magic lace wig. Imagine wearing your wigs longer, paying less money, but still getting numerous amount of styles. I'm gonna let y'all in on the tea because this new concept that they have, I am living for it. This is for my beginners. This is for my wig gurus. This is for the girls that want to save money and want to do more with their wigs. Of course, they send me all these fabulous free gifts, which I always love. I always use the free gifts. So a little bit of info about the magic lace wig. What this allows is for us to buy one wig, but here's the kicker. You are able to change the closure. You can detach the lace area and apply a new one. I don't know about you, but I've had wigs in the past where the lace area was messed up and the rest of the wig was good, but I couldn't replace the lace. So imagine now, to get a new look, you simply take that lace closure off and you apply a new closure. The price for a new closure is like a third, guys, of the cost for a whole new wig. So imagine all the money you're saving. Now this is what the wig is looking like. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a beginner friendly wig. It's pre-cut lace, natural hairline, pre-plucked, glueless wig. Put on and go. Put on and go, and we love that. And it's very secure. You don't need any skills to do this, and I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna style this wig without doing much of anything. This hair is super, it's long, it's full, it's beautiful. That's what it looks like on. It already comes curled, so we're not gonna do anything. Like, we're literally not gonna do anything. I'm gonna show you that. I kept it so simple so you can see that if you have no type of experience with wigs, you're still able to maneuver this, get looks out of it. Like, beginners, come here. Like, this wig is for you. And I'm just going in with my fingers to detangle the hair. For me, I like putting layers in my wigs, but because I wanted this to be so beginner friendly, I didn't do anything. I'm just going to show you that the wig can come straight out of the packaging and you can rock it and you will be looking super good. Love the parting of this hair. Love how everything looks. All I did, guys, was add a little bit of mousse, because when I wear glueless wigs, the new trick that I realized works is just adding some mousse. A little bit of mousse on top of there just makes everything melt seamlessly. I didn't cut any edges or anything. These are just like little hairs at the front that I pulled out, and I think it looks so good. Like, look at this hair. It looks as if I spent a long time doing my hair. It did not take more than a couple minutes just to mousse the middle down, and I'm good to go. No curling needed. Such a nice vibe, and this hair feels super light on my head. It's super comfy to wear. And this parting, guys, I forgot to say, it's a 7x5 parting, so you can part it on the side. You can do different styles with it. Like, your options are open. You can do as much as you want or just as little as you want if you want to keep it simple, but it looks so good. It looks like I spent hours at a stylist. This is our closure. She looks just like the hair that I have on right now. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, everything. The knots are the invisible knots. You can't see them. Like, the closure is a third the price of a new wig. So you can switch your units up, get double the wear out of the same wig with just buying a closure. This one has highlights. You don't have to bleach it. A whole completely different look without you doing the work, and I love that for us because I'm not into all the extra stuff. And the hair comes with 3 hooks, the closure section, and that Velcro that you attach. It's super easy to do. They included a detailed manual on how to do this, guys, and this was my first time doing this. I was reading while doing it, but it's super easy. You unhook the hooks and then you pull the Velcro apart, and then you unhook the other 2 hooks as you go across. So I was learning with y'all while I was doing that, but look at how easy that is and secure. Those little hooks secure the closure, and once you get that off, the wig is just like ready to go. Less than a minute. Out with a black color and then in with the highlights. Super easy. Just like switch your wig in a minute, and then now we just attach the little straps, the little hooks, sorry, and then you press that Velcro together, and you only have 3 hooks. press the Velcro together, and a totally new unit. Look at that. And then guys, when I get my lace, even though it's pre-cut, I cut off the little extras that's on there, just because when you have little to no lace on closures, it's easier, it's more seamless, you don't have to worry about blending anything. And because we're doing this completely glueless too, guys, you don't want to have any little extra stuff that you have to worry about. Oh, it's sticking out, or I have to blend it. And it makes all the difference. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of mousse, as I showed you guys before. A little bit of mousse goes a long way. It makes your hair just blend so seamless into your skin. And what you could do when you do this little mousse section, you could just put a band on. Honestly, I hardly ever do that. I just put the mousse and go. And that goes to show you that this hair is so nice. The lace is so nice. It blends so easily. And I feel like this is such a good investment for the girls. Like, I've had wigs before where the lace was messed up. It either thinned out, or like I make a mistake and I like cut too much, or I pull too much of it out, and then the whole wig has to go in the garbage. Now we don't have to do that. You literally buy a new closure and you have a new wig. Oh my gosh, this is such a great and innovative idea, and I love it, and I'm here for it. If you're here for it, let me know down below. Like, I was very excited about the possibilities of this wig. Super nice. Many styles from just one closure, and everything is done for you. Look at that. It didn't take me a long time, and the hair is done. And I kept like smirking because I'm just like, wow, this is so nice. Everything is laying, and I was feeling it, guys, because this is really like my first time trying this. So all the feels, I was very excited, and it did not disappoint. And this honestly is a good product. This is a good product. Look at how beautiful it looks. So good. And you can switch the parting, guys. There's enough space to switch the partings. Imagine buying one wig and then just replacing your closure, and this extends the usage of the wig for 3 to 6 months every time. Come on, saving the coins. Come on. Not doing work, I'm here. Whoever came up with this idea, they need a raise now, because this is so good. I love it. And we have highlights without bleaching anything. You don't have to pluck anything. You don't have to bleach the knots. Guys, this is with no effort. I wanted to show you this wig with no effort, without me doing anything. So imagine if you felt like you wanted to add layers, you wanted to do